Hello guys, welcome back to the another tech video. In today's video, we will see the two new features added by the WhatsApp to its new updated application. The first new feature from WhatsApp is its disappearing messages. This feature will be rolled out to its 2 billion plus users around the world. The company said that to make conversation on WhatsApp more close as possible, which means they should not stick around forever. The disappearing messages feature will work once it is enabled. These features will be available on all WhatsApp supported devices including Linux, KaiOS, Android and iOS. Along with this, WhatsApp web and desktop platforms. Once this feature enabled, new message sent in the individual or group chat will disappear after 7 days. The new feature won't affect any message you previously sent or received. To activate this feature, tap on contact, go to side menu, tap on disappearing message and here you go. However, the disappearing message feature will also wipe out photos and videos after the 7 days period from both the sender and the receiver. To overcome this, you can simply take screenshots or start the auto download media function. Besides this, it has one more drawback that if a user does not open WhatsApp in the 7 days period, the message will automatically disappear. However, the preview of the message might still be displayed in the notifications. And most important thing, if a user creates a backup before message disappears, it will included in a backup, and once it is backed, it will disappear after 7 days. And another thing to note here is that once disappearing message feature is on, there is no option of customizing the time frame after which the messaging will be deleted. It has 7 days of fixed time period. The second new feature from WhatsApp is WhatsApp Pay. Now you may know the e-commerce applications like Paytm, PhonePe, Google Pay, and from now we also have WhatsApp Pay. The popular social messaging app across the world got a green signal from India to start its payment service in the world's biggest open technology market. The WhatsApp Pay can go live using the Unified Payment Interface method. The National Payment Corporation of India confirms that WhatsApp has been struggling to get approval from NPCI for launching its own payment system in India. It had first submitted request in 2018. It took 2 years to get approval from NPCI. WhatsApp Pay launched in India on November 6. From this feature, you can send or receive money directly in your bank account. WhatsApp has designed its payment with UPI method. The UPI stands for Unified Payment Interface. It's a real-time payment system with more than 160 supported banks. WhatsApp has also promised to take full security and privacy of the users before every transaction. This feature will be available on both Android and iOS. It will start by the end of this month. Now the question is, who can use WhatsApp Pay? Eventually, all WhatsApp users having bank account and debit card in one of 160 banks participating in UPI will be allowed to use this payment service. WhatsApp has tied with several banks to enable this service. If you like this video, give thumbs and share it with your friends.